to Music Mitra. This is Bindu Naya here. I hope all of you are keeping in touch with our roots, our classical music. All of us can learn this art form a little more better. Maybe not as a student, but try to understand it a little more better. And that is why I'm here at Music Mitra, trying to clear concepts for you, trying to bring you closer to this art form, clear your doubts, make you understand the nuances as a beginner of Carnatic music. So today, we are going to discuss the importance of pyramid exercise in music. Now, what is a pyramid exercise? Pyramid exercise is nothing but the exercises that we use to understand the swarasthanas of a raga. For example, when we learnt Maya Malava Gaula in the beginning, right? All students learn our varishes in Maya Malava Gaula, which is the raga used for beginners. So this raga has a particular scale. It has sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. So how do we familiarize ourselves with the swarasthanas? So what we do, we construct a pyramid exercise. Pyramid, there are two types of pyramid. One is where we establish the relationship of each note with sa. Sa is our root note. Sa, sa, re, sa. So I went up to re and I came down to sa. Sa, re, sa, re, ga, sa, re, ga, ma, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Now when you write it down on a paper, it will look like a pyramid. You put sa in the center of the page. Sa re ga sa re ga ma sa re ga ma pa sa, and so on. So it becomes like a arohana pyramid. Same thing we do with avarohana. It's called. So we start with the upper shadjam. Sa ni dha sa ni dha pa sa ni dha pa ma sa ni dha pa ma ga sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. A very powerful exercise to familiarize yourself and get comfortable with the swaras of that raga. So once you learn this, then you can do it fast. You can do it in akaram. Sa re ga sa re ga ma re ga ma pa sa re ga ma pa da sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma sa ni da pa ma ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So this was in Maya Malava Gaula. So today's video, we have done a video about pyramid exercise before on Music Mitra channel, where we discussed about the same thing what I'm talking about today. I'll share that link also in the description below. I'll share the link in the description below. But today I'm emphasizing that this pyramid is not just by learning Maya Malava Gaula. Now for example, as we learn more ragas, now you've come to Varnam level. You have reached, let's say, Mohanam. You have done the Mohana Varnam. So Mohanam is sa re ga pa da sa da pa ga re sa, right? Sa re sa re ga sa, sa re ga pa sa, sa re ga pa da sa, sa re ga pa da sa, sa da sa, sa da pa sa, sa da pa ga sa, sa da pa ga re sa, sa da pa ga re sa. Then we do the next pyramid, which is stepping down. Sa re sa, sa re ga re sa, sa re ga pa ga re sa, sa re ga pa da pa ga re sa, sa re ga pa da sa da pa ga re sa. We can even go to higher octave. Sa re ga pa da sa re sa da pa ga re sa, sa re ga pa da sa re ga re sa da pa ga re sa, sa sa da sa, sa da pa da sa, sa da pa ga pa da sa, sa da pa ga re ga pa da sa, sa da pa ga re, sa re ga pa da sa, sa da pa ga re sa da, sa re ga pa da sa, sa da pa ga re sa da pa da sa, re ga pa da sa. So the full ragam up and down. The moment you keep practicing like this, speed up a bit, you get very, very comfortable with the swaras of that raga. So that is pyramid exercise for you. We can do it in all ragas. Ideally do it in ragas where the arohanam and avarohanam corresponds. So suppose you take a ragam like Malahari. We can do it, but it will be a little confusing for a beginner, because what happens is the swaras going up are not the swaras coming down. There will be one additional swara or one less swara, right? In Malahari, there's one additional swara. Sadapa Magarisa came, right? So, this take the ragas initially of where the arohanam is the same mirror image of the avarohanam. So those kind of ragas you will not then miss. For example, why I am telling you this is, I'll give an example of Bilahari. All of you have learnt Raravenu, right? Bilahari is Sari ga pa da sa, like Mohanam. Sani da pa magari sa. Now while going it was Sari ga pa da sa. There's no ma, there's no ni. Whereas while coming, all the swaras are there. So when I do pyramid, Sari sa, Sari ga ri sa, Sari ga pa ga ri sa. Till there it's okay. But Sari ga pa da, we cannot put ni. Sari ga pa da pa ma, so pa ma ga ri sa, sa re ga pa da pa ma ga ri sa, sa re ga pa da sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So while coming I have to add different notes, so that can be a little tricky. So today's video was emphasizing the importance of pyramid exercise. Let me know if you have any doubts about this. Try it today and let me know in the comments below whether this was of use to you. So whichever raga you are learning, try to do this pyramid, whether you're a vocalist, instrumentalist, as a beginner student. This is going to really help you in understanding a raga and singing that raga fluently. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon